How to import Twitter X to Bluesky. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to move your Twitter X following and blocked lists over to Bluesky. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, open your web browser like Chrome or Explorer on your PC. Now open the extension store on the browser. Search for and install the Skyfollower Bridge browser extension. Log into your Twitter X account in your browser, and log into your Bluesky account in the same browser. Tap the extension icon in the top right corner. Activate the Skyfollower Bridge extension. Follow the extension's prompts to connect your Bluesky account. Enter your Bluesky logins. Tap Find Bluesky Users. The extension will scan your Twitter X following and blocked lists. You'll see a list of Twitter X users that the extension has found on Bluesky. Select the users you want to follow or block on Bluesky. Confirm your selections to follow or block those users on Bluesky. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.